Average package is expected around 12 to 14 lakhs. A good college comes with a lot of importance. You know, when you come from JEE background to college, you get to experience different things. So CUP was like a downgrade for me, but I used to solve problems every day for like 2 to 3 hours.
So, what are you pursuing?
I am pursuing ENTC, which is Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from COEP.
In which year you are?
I'm in second year.
Okay. So, how did you get into CAT through JEE or CET, and how much did you score?
Oh, I got into COEP through JEE Mains and I scored 98.63 percentile.
Okay. So, what did you do to score this much?
Well, I started my JEE preparation from 10th class. In 10th class, it was normal coaching जो 10th में पढ़ाते हैं, like it was basics of integration, differentiation हो गया, फिर physics पे थोड़ा सा rotational dynamics पढ़ा दिया, vectors पढ़ा दिए, which was just to clear up my basics, which I feel helped me a lot to just gain the basics of the JEE वाला thing. In 11th and 12th, I started my major preparation, in which I majorly focused on problems. I used to solve problems every day for like 2 to 3 hours. What majorly consists was consistency, which was the major part. Like, and I would say I used to attend like almost all the lectures. ऐसे कोई एक दो lectures ही होगी जो मैंने miss किया होगा, because I feel consistency is important. Other than that, I feel that if you like work with a standardized plan, you can like get good results.
Okay. So, as you are in second year, so how was your experience for the last year?
Oh, well, it was a good experience. I got to learn a lot. You know, when you come from JEE background to college, you get to experience different things. And I feel कि during the preparation of JEE, I just felt कि जो मेरा communication वाला side था, the leadership वाला side था, वो बहुत मेरा ऐसे downgrade हो गया था, because you don't really get that much exposure. But once you enter into college, you know, you get exposure to different kinds of clubs, different kinds of fests. You meet friends from different backgrounds and different cultures, which really helps you to open your mind a lot, and you get a different kind of exposure which you haven't experienced before. So I will say it was a good experience and a different one.
Okay. Are you part of any clubs, and how did they help you?
Yeah, last year I was part of like two fests. One is the Pune Startup Fest, which is conducted by the Bhau, and secondly I was part of Impressions, which is the cultural fest of COAP. Well, I got into these two clubs through inductions, जो कि basically हर college में रहता है, and it was good, fair enough.
ओके. एक माहौल कैसा होता है आपके कॉलेज में? बच्चे सिर्फ पढ़ाई कर रहे होते हैं, काफ़ी जैसे स्टूडियस बच्चे आते हैं, काफ़ी
Yeah.
पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, या कल्चरल इवेंट्स भी काफ़ी ऑफनली हो रहे हैं, स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह भी है?
Okay, yeah, actually, yeah, it is a studious mall, I'll say, because of course, you know, जो CET के toppers आते हैं वो इधर आते हैं, but at the same time, I feel that it is not like all the nerds just come here, and I also feel कि like there are different things which happen. Like अगर तुम मेरे classmates में देखोगे, there are many people जो कि like पढ़ाई के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ करते हैं, जैसे कि उनके स्पोर्ट्स में उनके बहुत सारे अचीवमेंट्स हो गए, डिबेट्स में वो लोग अच्छे नहीं तो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स में वो लोग अच्छे. सो आई विल से लाइक या इधर थोड़ा सा स्टडीज मैनेज करना इज ऑफ कोर्स टफ, लाइक यू ऑलवेज हैव टू हैव गॉट अ बैलेंस, बट आई फील दैट इफ यू कम अप विद अ सिस्टमैटिक प्लान यू कैन डू इट.
What advice you wanna give to 11th 12th students? Like, what is the importance of good college?
Oh, well, I'll say that a good college comes with a lot of importance. First of all, it is that you get to, as I mentioned before, you get a lot of exposure, which you can't get in, I will say, tier 2 or tier 3 colleges. मुझे लगता है कि उधर बस प्रोफेसर पढ़ा लिखा के छोड़ देते, उनका फेस्ट भी बहुत छोटा होता है in general, and I don't feel the exposure is much. But if you go to a great college or it's a famous college, I will say, first thing is that you get to meet a lot of people, and other thing is that you just get that surrounding and just that environment. Like suppose if you're interested in entrepreneurship in general, like हमारे कॉलेज में entrepreneurship के बारे में बहुत सारे related चीज़ें होती हैं जो हमें पता चलती है, which I got to know in first year. So I feel कि like a different kind of exposure मिलता है. Other than that, you can say that you just get to experience college, a good college life. एक अच्छा campus मिल जाता है in general, a good friend circle, I will say.
Okay. ENTC के लिए needed infra क्या होता है और आपका कॉलेज क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करता है?
Okay, in ENTC, I will say the needed infra, one of the major is chip making का जो facilities होता है, which is the major thing. Well, this is really good provided by our college. So ENTC branch was started in our college in the 1950s, which is like, I will say, I guess it was the we have like the second oldest department of ENTC in all over Asia. So like हमारे college में mostly हर चीज़ chip making के related और else circuit making के related provided है already. I won't say that we have the latest technology available, but it is a good one. Like it is manageable and a person can do it.
Okay. How much placement you can expect after completing ENTC from COEP?
Well, an average package is expected around 12 to 14 lakhs.
Okay. what advice you would like to give to first year students, like what they should do, how they should spend their college years?
Well, I feel that especially in first year, rather than just studying and just getting into another loophole or else another rat race, first should just get to experience different kinds of stuffs and you should delve into different kinds of fields. Or else what happens is that जब तुम लोग 11th में JEE 12th की प्रिपरेशन करते हो, यू आर ऑलरेडी इन अ रैट रेस. अभी तुम लोग कॉलेज में आ रहे हो, अगेन यू थिंक कि मैं पढ़ाई करूंगा, मैं अच्छा CG मेंटेन करूंगा, देन यू अगेन गेट इनटू अ रैट रेस. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आई विल से जस्ट यू शुड गेट अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोजर, ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर डिफरेंट फील्ड्स and try to find the real passion.
As you were born and brought up in Pune, name top 5 engineering colleges according to you.
First I'll say COAP, second I will say is PICT, third I will say is PCCOE, fourth I will think is even ICER, and fifth I will say is VIT maybe.
ICER, which one?
ICER Pune. It is not an engineering college but still research wise it is damn good.
Okay, so what courses do they provide, do you know?
In ICER?
Huh?
Yeah, there are research based courses. In the sense, I guess in ICER in first year you don't really have to choose any course, but from second year you have to select courses. Majorly it's about biology and maths पे तुम्हें choose करना होता है और उनमें सब sections होते हैं जिस पे divided होते हैं. With that you have to choose differently.
When you got to know that you are getting COEP,
Yeah.
what was your reaction and what was your parents' reaction?
Well, honestly speaking, actually I wanted to get into NITs or IITs, so CUP was like a downgrade for me, but it is still a good college I will say. पेरेंट्स का रिएक्शन अच्छा था कि अच्छा खासे कॉलेज में हो गया है. इवन आई फेल्ट दैट इट इज़ गुड कि मेहनत किया इतने साल, लाइक 2-3 साल का, सो फाइनली कुछ रिजल्ट्स देखने को मिल गया.
Okay, so as you said कि 2 साल तक मेहनत किया है, तो did you make any sacrifices and were they worth it?
या एक्चुअली आई मेड अ लॉट ऑफ सेक्रीफाइसेस. लाइक फ्रेंड्स बहुत बार बाहर जाने को पूछते थे, नहीं तो इन जनरल फैमिली फंक्शंस के बहुत सारे इवेंट्स होता था, बट आई डिडंट रियली अटेंड इट ड्यू टू JEE का एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. या दैट वाज आई गेस वन ऑफ द मेजर सेक्रीफाइसेस. अदर देन दैट आई थिंक थोड़ा सा हेल्थ पे भी मेरा सेक्रीफाइस हुआ था. मैंने खाना थोड़ा सा कम कर दिया था और मुझे अच्छा खासा टाइम नहीं मिलता था. दोज वर द 2 मेन वंस.
Okay. जो 11th-12th के स्टूडेंट्स आपको देख रहे हैं, आप उन्हें क्या एडवाइस देना चाहते हो कि प्रिपरेशन कैसे करना चाहिए, डिस्ट्रैक्शन से कैसे दूर रहना चाहिए?
Well, I feel the environment is really important, so you should surround yourself with good people जो कि थोड़े से studious हो, पढ़ने में अच्छे हो. I feel that plays a major role. Other than that, I feel a coaching is necessary. Online is fine, but if you can afford a coaching institute, just join it and just be consistent.